Hello YouTube, welcome back to my world. My name is Savah, and if you didn't know, now you know. How are you guys doing on this wonderful day? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. As you can see by the title, today we about to have us a good old jolly little time. We are back with another XLOV video. On today's video, we're going to be reacting to Business. I really enjoyed our last song that we reacted to together, guys, so I'm really hoping this song raises the bar even more because my first impression of them is already to the roof right now. So this is either going to crash through the roof or crash through the roof because I don't see him doing any less than, okay? Let's get into it. Already good. I'm scared. The silence is intimidating.
We're getting locked in, your spotlight, we're dropping. We're showing us sexy, but gliding.
This hair is tea on you, babe. Come on, camera, work. Ho, ho. I want to be a part of the group. Imagine being this time. Oh, I cannot wait to see this live. And walk off. And bow down. Cut. Oh, and walk off. Attitude and walk off. That was just my first listen. So, we're not going to really say we don't dislike the song just yet because that probably will be a lie. So we're going to give it a chance. And let's get into this live performance. My favorite color is black, by the way. Still covered up and still giving sexy. It's like certain songs I gravitate towards certain members more. Cause this song I'm really feeling you. Not you. You. And I'm really feeling you this song. Yeah. The perfect amount of sex. Okay. Come on now. I'm sorry, the cameraman is fucking up. The cameraman is fucking up. Y'all gonna do attitude and walk off? Ah, guns blazing. No, for real. I'm mad off the wake up because only because like it, that has so much potential just in the camera work alone, and the cameraman did not understand the assignment. Are you serious right now? And production, are you okay? I know that was really heartbreaking. It's really hitting home. I feel it too. Overall, though, everything else, the song is fine. I'm not crazy about it how I am the first song, but I, because even the choreo, I do like both choreos though, but something about that other song, it just hits. It just hits. It just hits. That's my preference. But it's safe to say I am still pleased with the group. I want them to get some better camera work. That is my only issue. Cause that, come on now, like, how can we be this cunt and my cameraman not match my cuntness? You know what I'm saying? Like, do you get what I'm going with that? The potential of angles and that choreo, they played. They played. That's all I have to say. They played. But overall, I still love this group. And I think I am going to do one more video. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching as always. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what group you would like to see next. If you was having a bad day, I hope I had the chance to make it better. And until next time, mwah.